Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be introducing the Zojirushi Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer. This is the perfect companion for rice lovers seeking perfection in every grain. With its sleek stainless steel, dark gray design, this rice cooker not only delivers outstanding performance, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its induction heating system. As you can see, when I took out that rice, there's so much steam coming out. Unlike traditional rice cookers, this one uses advanced technology to heat the inner cooking pan directly. With multiple menu settings and customizable options, you can easily achieve the desired texture and consistency for your rice tailored to your taste. And in this video, I made sticky rice with Chinese sausage. And not only does this excel in functionality, but its nice finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. In conclusion, this rice cooker is a game changer for rice enthusiasts. Elevate your rice cooking experience with the Zojirushi Rice Cooker. Make every grain count